Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you, step by step, on how to make an international transfer to BBVA Spain. Whether for personal or business needs, this process is simple and secure. Let's get started. First, log into your banking app or online account from the institution you'll be sending money from. Next, go to the Transfers or International Payments section. Then, enter the recipient's details, including their full name, IBAN for their BBVA Spain account, and the SWIFT or BIC code, which is BBVA ESMM. After that, type in the amount you want to send, select the currency, and check the transfer fees and exchange rate carefully. Once all details are correct, confirm the transfer using your security method, such as token, SMS code, or biometric verification. Finally, the funds will be processed and delivered to the recipient's BBVA Spain account, usually within 1 to 3 business days. That's it. Making an international transfer to BBVA Spain is straightforward when you provide the correct details. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.